Having trouble uploading or accessing your editing history in Picsart? If previous edits and syncing upload history is missing or saved projects fail to appear, in this video I will show you how to fix editing history upload on Picsart app. The first thing you have to do is to go to Picsart. In this page you will go to the sign of profile. You will tap on profile. Here you will move to these three dots. Then in this list you will click on settings. You will tap on settings, and then here in this page of settings you will find this feature of enable editing history upload. You will tap here to fix this problem, as you see. So this is how it works. If you are enjoying watching this video, and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to press the bell icon and subscribe. See you next time.